Lifetime free RDP. In this video, I will show you how you can get lifetime free RDP using this website, Hyperbeam. So please, if you are interested, keep watching this video till the end, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's get started. So in this tutorial, I will show you how you can use this website, Hyperbeam, to create lifetime free RDPs. So as you can see, first we need to create an account. You have two options. The first one is to download the app, or this platform app. You can download it in your PC, but for us, or in this video, we will go with open in your browser, so we don't need to download the app. We will just click on open in browser to create our free account. Once you click on this button, you will get asked to enter your birthday or your birth date. Just type your month and the day and the year. Then you will get asked to enter an email and to enter a password. Just enter your email and the password and you will have a free account on this platform. So now, after creating your account and verifying your account using your email, you will see an interface like this one. At the beginning, you will not see something like this. This is just a room, and in this platform we have rooms. We don't have remote. You don't need to access this browser or this PC using a remote control desktop tool that, like this one that I have in my PC. This is a different one. We will get access to this RDP just from this interface, and I will show you right now how. First, we need to create a room. Click on this button, which is add the room. Once you click on it, you will get asked to enter a name of the room. Let's type something like mid 2, and let's click on create, and just skip this. And now we have this room. This is the RDP. Let's click on it to show you how you can do it. First, click on open new browser. And wait a little bit. Something went wrong. Okay. So now it says it's connecting, and boom, right here you have a browser that you can use to upload, to watch, to download files, to do anything. And why this is a super helping tool, let's try the speed test to see the upload and the download on this RDP. Let's click on this website to test the connection, and this one based in Germany, so it's not in my geographic or in my country, it's in Germany. So this is a real remote desktop protocol. So let's test this connection to see the performance of the connection in this laptop or in this PC or in this server. This website, they don't made it actually to use it as an RDP or something like that. They use it, or they create this platform to make people able to watch movies together. So you can create a room, and you can just go and invite your friends, and once you invite them, and they can start watching and browsing the internet together with you. And this is the why they create this platform, and that's why it's for free. But we can use it as an RDP. As you can see right here, we can go to YouTube, we can upload videos, we can watch videos. If your connection in your country or in your your home connection is so bad or something like that, just go to this website or this platform and try to do whatever you want on it. You can upload if you are a YouTuber, and when it comes to uploading videos to your YouTube channel, it takes a lot of time. You can just transfer your videos or your files into a Google Drive and go to this website and open your YouTube channel in this browser, and just take your videos from Google Drive and just drop them on your YouTube channel. It will get uploaded in something like 5 minutes. The video that will take a couple of hours, you will just upload in something like 5 or 10 minutes, which is really good because the connection right here is really good. It's a really good connection, and you can use it as well for some live streaming, because a lot of people trying to get something to to create some live streaming on YouTube or Facebook or all of this stuff, but the connection, it doesn't help to do so. So you can use this website as well as an RDP to do some live streaming or whatever you want. What I don't like about this one, it's not a fully, when it comes to features, you can't download files or games or whatever, or to play with server, to add more scripts or all of this stuff. So it's just for browsing and using or browsing the internet. But it's still a good feature, for free, for lifetime. You can use it. You can upgrade if you want for more features, but I think you can just go with the free plan for life with no problems, and it works really powerful. So let's click right here, for example, let's type something like YouTube. Okay, let's click on enter, and let's go to YouTube. So as you can see right here, on the country section, we see Germany, which is this laptop or PC or server location. It's on Germany, and the connection right there is really fast. So that was everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can leave them on the comment sections. I will make more and all the videos about free RDPs. I will search for more providers that we can use to create fully or 100% RDPs with all of the features, because it's so hard to find some reliable or some good providers. So I will make sure to make some videos about or in this topic in the future or in the upcoming uploads. So that's why make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, so this way you will not miss any upcoming uploads. See you in the next video, guys.